Before we move on sa ating kwentuhan, Boss Sidelf, please do the honors of announcing kung sino ang kasama ni Raven muna.
Kita mo ha,
Ayan,
how we treat royalty here.
Sino ang
Okay.
makakasama ni Raven sa North?
Matapos ng masusing
Debate.
debate
Okay.
at diskusyon na napakalalim.
Mga gano'ng katagal
Napakalalim.
yan? Mga gano'ng katagal yan? Mga linggo rin, no?
Yung one time, hindi na kami natulog eh.
Okay.
One time, hindi na
Okay.
talaga nag-ano talaga eh.
Which sanay ka naman?
Wala
sanay
na.
ka.
Sanay na ako. Okay. Ang
Makakasama ni Raven?
makasama ni
Drum
Raven
roll.
Okay.
from, dating Ribanse guest.
Okay.
From the Caloocan Batang Kangkalu, kay Manny Ladi.
Wow! Okay, okay.
Okay. Next.
Ito, hindi pwedeng walang...
Hindi pwede.
Hindi pwedeng hindi ito.
Oo.
Wala
Hindi kasali to.
Hindi pwedeng hindi kasali.
The all-star of all-stars.
Hindi. Isa rin to. No, isa rin to. From the San Juan Knights.
Okay.
Okay.
Orlan Wamar.
Yan.
Galing sa napakagandang performance ha, yung last game.
Yes.
Okay. Sinalba ang kanyang team
Yes.
na muntik ng matalo yung Rebanse effect na tinatawag natin, kalaban ng mga cuties.
Si Oligario at si Calyado.
Ang ganda ng laro ni Oligar.
Yes.
Masasabi
Oo,
ko lang.
tama,
Pero si
tama,
Orlan
tama.
Wamar erupted in that game.
Kumbaga, iba pa rin
Walang
yung Wamar
three-pointer,
sa
parang
dulo.
ganun.
No? Iba
Sa
pa rin.
dulo.
Okay, go ahead.
Next.
Okay. Ito, people might say this is a surprise pick, but
Not to us.
he is very deserving.
Yes.
Mhm.
Very, very deserving.
Mhm.
It's, kung nakikita mo kasi yung all-stars at mga starters, usually nasa taas yung mga teams nila. No? Sa tuktok talaga. But,
Correct.
ang ganda ng choice na to. To
Yes,
me, this is
agree.
a really, really good choice.
Mm.
From Pasig, Warlo Bata.
Wow. Deserving.
Three
Yeah.
game winners this season. Leads the league.
Yeah.
They
Plus-
almost won that game against Mikoaya, no? Maganda yung performance ni Warlo sa game na yun. Kaya lang nakahabol sila.
Na ano sila nun? Na arhente sila.
Oo,
nun.
naarente sila.
Plus, an incredible story as well.
Yes.
Yes,
Ganda
yes.
ng
You're right.
kwento niya
You're right.
dito
You're
sa
right.
Rebanse.
The only guest na solo episode.
Talagang
Si Warlo.
na triple team siya.
Oo.
Oo.
Okay. Syempre, last but not the least,
Matic to.
automatic. Medyo last year hindi siya masyadong medyo nag-backseat siya sa All-Star game. So ngayon, baka buhos to.
Ay, nagkaka-40 lang yan eh.
Kaka-40
40 puntos.
Oo.
Mhm.
From the Abra Solid North Weavers, the reigning MVP, Dave Ildefonso.
Okay. So yan ang ating North Starters. Pero teka ha, paalala lang natin, defending champions ang
Dalawa.
South.
Okay.
Okay,
Sarap.
ang South Stars, defending sila, di ba? This was of, I think, Eric Camson
Eric
last
Camson,
season.
game winner ni Eric Camson.
There was
Yung nangyari sa Binyan.
Judel Fuentes, ang
JL, ba?
All-Star
Ay,
MVP. Judel,
LJ.
Judel Fuentes.
Mm.
Ang ganda nun kasi yung I think JC Marcelino,
Yeah.
nakashoot pa nung dulo, Panamang, then si Eric
I
Camson,
remember.
game winner.
Okay, so ang ating South Starters, go ahead.
Isa-isahin ko na. Ito, unahin ko ulit. Grabe mga Rebanse guest na to
Oo.
Rebanse effect nga
Isa
ang
na
tawag
lang
eh.
ang hindi nakakapag-guess
Kaya
dyan.
feeling ko, after ng show na to, talagang all-star ka na.
Oo.
Rebanse effect ang tawag.
na yung standards ko tataas.
Oo,
Yeah.
tataas.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, from the Jensen Warriors.
Mhm.
To me, enjoying his
One of the best seasons of his
season
career. Yeah.
of his career,
Yeah.
Hesed Gabo.
Okay. Episode 1 yan.
Episode 1.
Episode 1.
Pilot, yes.
Pilot
Ah.
episode. And remember, that was after his first game against Binyan, no? Na nag-best
Correct.
player siya.
Correct.
Tama.
Napanalo sila.
Napanalo sila.
Buti naman, no? Nagtuloy-tuloy, no?
Oo.
Kasi otherwise, na-cancel din yung show niyo.
Grabe ka naman. Unang episode mo palang cancellation. Next na tayo.
Hindi, pero magandang matchup to Hesed Gabo versus Orlan Wamar. Ganda yan.
Oy,
Pareho ng mapatagal sa MPBL yan.
Parang may gustong patunayan yung isa dyan sa kanila. Dalawa
Oo.
talaga sa... I think last season may laban si ano dyan eh. yung debate dyan, LJ Gonzalez, Cesar
Yes.
Gabo, tsaka
In terms of being the best point guard in the league.
Oo. So,
Yes.
wala na si LJ. So, eto na yung dalawa. Next!
Okay.
To, okay din to. Another Rebanse alumni.
Okay.
From Binyan, Tatakgel.
Ayusin mo yan, ha?
Ang introduction.
Ari!
Okay.
Former UST Growling Tiger. Nick Cabanero.
Yan.
Yeah!
Na napakaganda ng pinapakita this season, you know?
Even without the Rebanse effect.
Oo, even without the Revanse
Nakatulong
effect.
lang yung Rebanse effect.
He is in the running, no? According to Kuya Jao, our stats
Of
guy.
course.
One of
Yes.
the guys in the running for MVP so far.
Yes.
So far.
Yes. And he's been doing it in limited minutes. At
Mhm.
one point, it was less than 20 minutes. Ngayon, nasa mga 22, 23 kasi medyo bumibigat na rin yung mga kalaban nila.
Wait. Kailangan niya lang ayusin yung free throw niya. Nick,
Oo.
free throw mo, Nick.
Nick, free
Ayan
throws.
Ayan ah.
Hmm.
Okay, next.
Love ko yan si Nick. Okay, next. Ito, malapit sa puso ko to eh. Kasi sa amin to lumaki. No? Sa
Okay.
Negros Occidental to lumaki.
Mhm.
Actually, maraming bayan nag-ano sa kanya. Taga saan ba talaga to, di ba? May Kabangkalan, may Himamaylan, di ko na alam minsan. Pero I am so happy he's making his first All-Star appearance as a starter
Mhm.
from the Batangas City Tanduay Athletics, John Nermal.
Woohoo!
And I'll say it again, one of the more underrated pickups this season.
Yeah.
Na hindi pinag-usapan but really has an impact at pinapakita niya at pinapakita ng team niya.
Mm.
Alam ng isang guest natin, dyan, tinalo na sila.
Yes.
Ah.
Okay. Sorry.
Na ngayon, teammate niya. Teammate niya ngayon.
At least,
Teammate niya.
ang dami ng dito.
Oo,
Dami ng
magkakasama.
rest back dito.
Oo. Okay, next.
Okay, next. Ito. Probably, I must say, the leading MVP candidate
Yeah.
this season.
Mm.
Yes. Definitely top 3.
Top 3.
Mm-mm.
Top
Definitely,
3.
definitely.
Alongside Nick Cabanero.
Yeah.
Minsan ay ubusan ka ng dito. You run out of words describing the way he
Adjectives.
plays.
Yeah.
Because
Tama.
Superlatives.
he's just all over the place.
Yeah.
And the way he's somehow pumasok sa conversation as an MVP candidate, and the way he's carried his team and his improvement, just incredible. The past 2 months.
Mhm.
And we had hints of that last season. Nakita
Yes.
natin yan
Yes.
sa kanya.
And Cebu is winning.
Yun talaga yun. That's really the biggest thing for me, na nadadala
Kaya
niya
na
Cebu.
siya, adopted Cebuano na siya. Because
Yes.
obviously, we know that he started with Pangasinan.
Pangasinan.
Mahiyain pa yan nun.
Pero ginawan ng Rebulto sa Cebu. Yung sub-graphic ng
yun?
MPBL goes to Cebu. Sabi niya, hindi pa ako nagre-retire, Rebulto na ako. Syempre, from the Cebu greats, Mr. Mark Meneses.
Yes!
sir.
Kung di ka pa nakasubscribe, ano pang hinihintay mo? Bawat episode, bawat laro, bawat kontrobersya sa MPBL, nandito kami para harapin lahat. Hanapin ang Rebanse sa Spotify, Apple Podcasts, at YouTube. Kung may gusto kang sabihin, may issue kang gustong harapin, o may Rebanse ka sa sinasabi namin ngayon, mag-subscribe, i-share, makiisa sa usapan.